What's going on, guys? My name is Craig Robertson, and we are standing outside the headquarters of BadBoyMowerParts.com right here in Monroe, Louisiana, which operates out of Yard Power. In this video, we're going to take you inside, show you just a brief little snippet of some behind-the-scenes action of where your parts ship out of and all that kind of stuff. But this video right here, I want you guys to do me a favor. Comment down here below. Let me know any tips, tricks, or anything that you want to see as we move forward in 2026, because we have some big plans for the site and for this YouTube channel, and we're excited to bring it to you guys. So let me know down here below, but also when you do that, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up. All that helps us out, and we appreciate you guys. So we're gonna move inside, we're gonna show you some behind the scenes action, and we're gonna roll. It's gonna be a great year. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, here we are. We are inside. We have got all your Bad Boy mowers, all your selection right here. He's got a few Cub Cadet stuff. We got some Echo stuff back here in the back, but we have a massive selection of 2026 mowers on the floor. And when you come in here, if you come in locally, we got two great guys up here at the counter who are gonna help you out. Service department, anything you need mower-wise, this is your spot. But we're gonna get on back. We're gonna check out the Bad Boy Mower Parts section. And there's Courtney right there. You may know him. We'll get back there and check him out. What's going on, fellas?
What's up? How you doing?
All right, here we go. Employees only. Woo! What's going on, fellas? Just living the day. So this is where the Bad Boy Mower Parts right here operates out of right now. So they have done a big shipment this morning already, prepping for an afternoon session. But this is where all your stuff right here comes out of. Computer systems, boxes, everything that you have operates right here in North Louisiana. So you can rest assured that you're gonna be handled correctly, and they're gonna take care of you. So when you chat and everything else, you're talking to someone right here, typically on this computer right here or in one of the offices over there. That is it. Let's go check out the service department real quick. This is the behind the scenes here. Let's move over here. All right, so we came back up front, and we got another employee entrance door. So employees only, but this is where your mowers are gonna get serviced here in town. This is also where we'll be doing some tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff right there. Courtney right there, what's up, brother? You may chat with this guy right here on Bad Boy Mower Parts, but this is the man if you wanna know who he is. Check, check. So anyway, but that is this part right here, that is where the mowers locally are operated on. So yeah, that is it right there, guys. That's the workshop area. That's where everything's gonna be happening. But we're also gonna be doing some tips and tricks and that kind of stuff in your front yard or wherever you may be at your house, because that's where most of you guys will be operating out of. You're not gonna have a professional workshop or anything like that. You need to know how to do it at home, and we're gonna bring that to you. But hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to comment down below. Let us know what you want to see. We want to bring you the content that you want to see and build this community right. So thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. As I said, my name's Craig. Micah is behind the scenes as well. You'll be seeing us both here and there, but we appreciate you guys. Hey, y'all have a good one. Get outside and mow. Check out BadBoyMowerParts.com. See y'all.